We are pleased to show you the 2013 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.